Welcome to Da Nang, welcome to the beautiful summer day here. We're gonna go cross Soncha into our neighborhood again. Ah! You gotta be careful, guys. They usually
scream.
But I love the, like, if I run over the street because a car does not look like it stops, I need to have the scream. It's good for the camera, man. Yeah, I got Marcus today with me here. We just had a very interesting call, a talk, a meeting with an immigration lawyer. And we heard a lot of things, which is very interesting because so many people always ask us, and we actually want to provide some value. And yeah, now we have a contact. So in case you want to invest, yeah, don't text me. But yeah, if you see me, maybe I can help you. But it's interesting. We asked a lot of questions, and yeah.
We asked question like from the Gatling gun. She was trying to eat her croissant and she didn't finish it.
Yeah.
Because there was one question.
I felt so bad. But yeah, very lovely lady. We know a lot of things now more. Because it's always a thing, right? If you get your information from YouTube channels, I would not trust even whatever I say. If it's like legal stuff, I would never say put it on a, what is it called?
Scale?
On a scale.
On
That's a German saying.
Yeah, I think it is.
On a Goldwaage.
Yeah.
No, but always consult a professional. Always a local firm is always the best thing. Or even better, a big firm that has a local office in Vietnam. And this was the case now. So we asked a lot of questions. Very interesting.
It's always good to get ideas.
Ideas,
and then you
exactly.
have to do your research, but never trust YouTubers, influencers.
Yeah. But one thing, Da Nang is not your place to live.
No.
If you're just thinking like you're retiring here. This I can tell you that of 100%. And I wouldn't trust the 90 days being extended for the rest of your life. Never ever. And it will not happen, guys. So if you want to have like a safe haven, you need to look into some other countries. This is a 100% fact. If you're investing, if you're running a business, then Vietnam is very friendly to you. If you bring capital, if you bring value with your store, your office, if you do real business, knowledge, then Vietnam will open their arms and welcome you with love. Yes. But if you're just coming here and want to live on the cheap, you're not. you're geduldet. What is geduldet?
Oh.
They don't say you're accepted for a while, for a limited time, until you're not anymore. And then, yeah, I guess Cambodia is calling. But there are many interesting neighborhoods, countries around that are a little bit more easy, I would say. But to be honest, it's very interesting to open a business here because you own 100% of the company. And yeah, I think if you're young and you want to do business here, this is a great country to be in the heart of. When they're just about to explode. What is this here? Egg, coffee, chocolate class. Interesting. So if you want to do, let's have a look real quick. Hello. What are you doing? Is it egg coffee?
Yes, we have a workshop.
Oh, it's so cool. Can I film it? Hello. Oh, so with real eggs and everything. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. You can come in here.
Okay. All right, thank you.
Very nice.
Yeah?
You should. I think you should try.
Okay. Awesome. So here, coffee workshop by grandma. That's awesome. I feel like this is something you should do if you're doing a vacation here, or even if you live here. You should learn how to do the coffees, guys. I said it before, but if you come to Vietnam and you fall in love with the strong and sweet cafés they offer here. Salt coffee, coconut coffee, surda, all the delicious coffee variations here. Then you have to learn how to do it, because usually wherever you're from, it might not be the same taste. If you learn it here during your vacation.
And also, maybe this is an opportunity in your own country to open a business.
Yes,
Huh?
more and more people traveling to Vietnam, and of course not gonna live here, but they were like, you know what, I love coming here, I love the food, I love the drinks. Maybe it's time to open more Vietnamese coffee shops all around the world. That's your chance, guys. Or maybe you have a coffee shop in your hometown and you're like, you know what? Let's get all the people addicted in Wisconsin. What is it? Wisconsin. I just a random state in the USA.
Or is it a city?
I think it's a state, Wisconsin. I cannot pronounce it, man. Why do I have it in my head, but I cannot pronounce it? Wisconsin.
Maybe you can found the LLC there.
Oh, maybe.
Wyoming?
I know.
Wisconsin? Yeah, Wisconsin.
Whatever. Those are like the places in America you don't really know.
But foreigners know because of LLCs.
Oh, you know what? The easiest, Montana. I think no one really lives in Montana, but I met one time one person in Mexico on an island from Montana. It was the first time. But yeah, there is not much going on there. Imagine you're the only Vietnamese coffee shop in Montana, in the whole state of Montana. Wow.
I only know Tony Montana.
Tony Montana, yeah.
Was it from the movies?
Dude, this is new too. It's new places here. My God. I guess this whole street. But you know what, Marcus? It's very interesting. All those dishes look the same like the one viral restaurant over there.
There was also a food show.
Yeah. But check this out. This restaurant, you will find now here 3 different restaurants that look the same and offer the same things. Because one very famous one started going here. Oh. First I thought it was like a BMW. And now I see this is VinFast. But it's not often I see a VinFast like this.
Like Fast and the Furious style.
Yeah. Or Hakan. Hakan style.
But also, he put all the signs on what is probably available.
Looks A2. But you know what's funny? 4 exhaustion pipes. I guess you need that if you have an electric engine. I'm wondering if he has the sound. Oh, look at this. Ah, 38A, yeah. But it's an old one.
It's a coupe.
No, it's a convertible. I'm so happy.
Oh, really?
This is the first convertible I've seen here. It's so rare to have convertible cars here, cabrios.
Yeah, but the German word is much better. Cabrio.
Yeah, 100%. Or the America, they say drop top.
Drop down.
Drop top. What is it? 335. Wow. I mean, it looks a little bit off, to be honest. But the 335 is the highest engine you can have on this car. So it's also not that often. But yeah, I like it actually. Shout out to you, Mr. BMW driver here, with a convertible. Oh my God. I would love to have a cocktail bar.
20 meters.
What? Dude, this is crazy. This whole neighborhood is changing in warp speed.
It's probably this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, here, cocktail bar.
Oh, but
Okay,
it
it's
does not look like open.
Looks more.
I guess it's too early. Maybe they open something.
Yeah, probably it's too early for cocktails. It's 11.
Interesting. So many new buildings here also in the street. Then you have here lots of restaurants here. But also if you eat too much, there's also a gym. Well, I think they moved. No, it's still here, the Harbor CrossFit. But they have another one, right? CrossFit Harbor, I saw it somewhere else too. CrossFit!
also
And
very
jiu-jitsu.
effective.
They have jiu-jitsu here.
And also karaoke.
Here. All the same dishes again. And now we're getting into the most famous one. But look at this. All the dishes here are very similar to the famous Michelin place here. But they expanded a lot. The pepcorn. There you go. And this is always packed. They have outside and also with AC. But this is a very interesting neighborhood. It will be developed even more everywhere, left and right. What is it, a convenience store and a coffee shop? Stop! 24/7 convenience store.
There's a
Seating
song
outside.
I remember. Stop in the name of love before you break my heart.
Oh my God.
I think it's from the 80s.
Okay. All right.
So send some love, people.
Heyday Cacao Station. All right. Ooh, what is this? This is a.
They start finally to renovate.
Oh yes. So it looks. Oh, Mica Casa. Huh. Interesting. Wow. What will it be?
Yeah, it's a coffee place. They also invested with higher.
Brunch space. Hey guys, it's funny if you think you don't have. Oh, look at this. It's gonna be a huge one. But if you think Vietnam has too many coffee shops, like literally every corner, yet still they're all packed. And then if you think about brunch spots, they're also all packed. It's always full. So yeah, you cannot, if you do, expensive brunch spots are very in demand. It's crazy. The cheap places are everywhere and you always get a seat. But if you want to have like egg benedicts for $5 or $6, then you will have a line. It's a very interesting phenomenon at the moment. And it's of course not expensive for the Western standards, but if you compare a bowl of mi quang to some egg benedict, it's like 7 times or something the price. And we have of course McDonald's here, where you can get the finest spaghetti. I really want to try it out once. I don't know why they have these things in McDonald's. I hate spaghetti.
To be honest, McDonald's is not the same anymore. They don't have milkshakes.
No milkshakes?
No, they disappeared like in silence. They put it out of stock and they don't sell it anymore. Milkshakes was the greatest.
Yeah, but when in Germany did you ever experience it? Because they always did not. The staff was too lazy to clean it, so they always clean it once and then they don't want to use it anymore. And they say it's broken.
Yeah.
The milkshake machine is broken.
But I really believe there's no McDonald's that's selling milkshakes anymore.
Really? Please comment below, wherever you're from, if there is milkshakes in your McDonald's.
And you know what?
Oh?
Strawberry milkshake or the choco one, the
Oh my
chocolate
God,
one,
yeah.
and then you have to dip in your fries. That was
What
the
is
real
wrong
shit.
with you, man?
Yeah.
Who
that
does
was
that?
really good. A lot of people,
Oh my God.
and they don't do it in secret. It's just openly.
Oh my God. It's pervert. My God. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out this video here and see you in the next walk.